Like you'll catch their sentences in your mind. And that's like 1% of it. Like you're catching such a minor fraction. You know how you catch when you have a belief system that's contrary to what you would desire for yourself? Okay, let's take a step back because that was a complicated sentence, even though grammatically it was correct. But everything you don't like about you isn't you. Everything you have a problem with in your life isn't you. Anytime you get anxious isn't you. So like social anxiety. Anytime you're uncomfortable in a situation, any situations you're uncomfortable in, that part of you that's uncomfortable in that situation isn't you. Okay, so we get stuck in a comfort zone. We get stuck because it's life. Everybody around us is that. That's what's modeled for us. To do what I'm about to teach you how to do in the next 53 minutes is contrary to everyone you know.